sometimes cut my finger using the veggie slicer. Sometimes I'll trip on my feet and fall down. Or a corner of my tote bag will get caught in the train's door.
I wonder if she broke down and decided to get some contacts. I guess she's probably better off with the glasses after all.
How dare you look happier than the rest of us, damn you!
Do you have any idea what a blue Hawaii is?
What's a blue Hawaii? Let me see. Perhaps it's a song. Blue... No. Blue... I don't really know. No, that's not it. No, I guess not.
Always be thinking about the message that the author is trying.
Yeah.
Hang on. That's typical of her.
Goody, I just love Ikura. Yes. Sorry. What? Oh, how can you stand it? Yeah, you went to get a cavity fixed the other day. Is it all better?
Whoa.
That's our Yuki-chan. Wish I could get grades like that.
I mean, did you get a load of hers?
With all the power lines and traffic, flying kites can be pretty dangerous. I was pretty busy for the first 3 days of the new year, but after that I just read books and watched TV. Actually, that's what I did over the break. And I had a lot of fun playing games with my cousin. In fact, when I took a bite of rice cake, I couldn't bite through and it stretched way out.
Sorta don't.
Mother, I'm sorry. And we ended up talking for more than an hour. Oh! It seems I've won. Come now.
Takara, you want to be the class rep for the first half of the year?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
I did a bang-up job of raising you, doesn't it?
Huh? I space out?
Well, how would you feel?
Oh, I forgot all about it. Oh, I'll have to do it again. Oh, not again. Oh. Let's see.
Wait, Cafe, just let me know ahead of time when you want to cruise by and I'll get you in.
Excuse me, guys, but class has started.
If you know what I mean.
I know exactly what you mean. Gradients into random shapes. Oh, I never knew that.
How about you, Miyuki-san?
I think it's just wonderful.
I picture her as a sheep.
Oh,
Why don't you try the vision training thing?
I suppose I could.
Miyuki-san, your head, it totally moved when you looked.
Really? Oh dear. How strange.
Whoa. Easy now, girl.
My eyes are more tired now than before. Hey, are you okay? Unfortunately, I had to go to the dentist yesterday.
You'll be sure to tell me if this hurts, won't you? It'll be over soon, I promise.
And that's how my appointment went.
Awesome.
It's really sticky. Oh, mine just says fortunate.
Sometime, entrance exams are right around the corner.
Let's have ourselves a peek inside, shall we? Not to worry, we just need to pop the filling back in and you'll be as right as rain. Now, about that tooth in the back, I believe I've detected some decay. We should start treatment immediately.
Never actually seen anyone go achoo when they sneezed. That was hilarious.
こらテリー、何してるの？ワンちゃんってたまにやりますよね。おいしいです。
drop at 5 minutes and 28 seconds from now.
You're
You
telling
will hit your
fortunes,
head on
not
the
predicting the
science 7 minutes.
future.
Seriously?
I'm so touched. You did your best.